Here's a shocking truth. While executives burn through tens of billions of dollars on AI initiatives that fail 95% of the time, their own employees have quietly revolutionized work using $20 per month tools. We're witnessing the fastest technology adoption in corporate history, and it's happening completely under management's radar. You've been lied to about the AI revolution. The headlines scream failure. 95% of AI pilots crash and burn. But dig deeper into MIT's explosive report that's been making the rounds, and you'll discover something far more remarkable. Artificial intelligence isn't failing. It's succeeding so spectacularly that workers have completely bypassed their company's expensive, broken systems, creating the most successful underground technology adoption in modern business history. Picture this. A corporate lawyer whose company spent $50,000 on a specialized AI contract tool. She uses it exactly 0 times. Instead, she drafts every contract using ChatGPT because, in her words, the fundamental quality difference is noticeable. This isn't an isolated case. It's the new reality for 90% of knowledge workers. While boardrooms debate AI strategy and upper management demos clunky enterprise tools, employees have already solved the productivity puzzle. They're using personal AI subscriptions to automate significant portions of their jobs, creating what researchers call a shadow AI economy that dwarfs official corporate initiatives. Only 40% of companies have official AI subscriptions, yet workers from over 90% of companies use AI tools daily for work. That's not a pilot program. That's a revolution. The most devastating part? These underground AI users are saving their companies millions while corporate AI efforts hemorrhage money with nothing to show for it. One manufacturing executive captured it perfectly. We're processing some contracts faster, but that's all that has changed. He completely missed that processing contracts faster, multiplied across thousands of daily tasks and millions of workers, is exactly how genuine technological transformation happens. But here's where it gets interesting. The MIT study reveals that this isn't about workers being smarter than their bosses. It's about a fundamental design flaw in how companies approach AI. Enterprise AI tools fail because they suffer from what researchers call the learning gap. They can't remember, adapt, or improve over time. Meanwhile, consumer tools like ChatGPT succeed because they feel responsive and flexible, even though they reset with each conversation. Think about that paradox. A $20 monthly subscription consistently outperforms $50,000 enterprise solutions built by teams of specialists. The corporate lawyer puts it bluntly, ChatGPT consistently produces better outputs even though our vendor claims to use the same underlying technology. That's not a feature problem. That's a fundamental misunderstanding of what makes AI valuable in real-world business contexts. The real bombshell comes when you examine where companies are throwing their AI budgets. Over 50% goes to flashy sales and marketing projects, chatbots, automated outreach, personalized campaigns, because these create metrics that look good in board presentations. But the actual money lives in the back office nobody talks about. Small and medium-sized companies quietly saving $2 to $10 million annually aren't doing it through AI sales assistants. They're automating document processing, eliminating expensive outsourcing contracts, and replacing costly consultants with internal AI capabilities. Here's the part that should terrify every executive. The productivity gains are real, measurable, and completely invisible to corporate accounting. Workers have solved integration challenges that stymie official initiatives. They've proven the tech works when implemented correctly, and they've done it while their company's official AI budgets produce zero return on investment, creating a productivity paradox that's reshaping modern work without anyone in management noticing. But this shadow economy exposes a deeper problem. When we asked enterprise users to rate AI versus humans for different types of work, the results were stunning. For quick tasks like emails and basic analysis, 70% prefer AI over human colleagues. But for complex, high-stakes work, 90% still want humans. The dividing line isn't intelligence, it's memory and adaptability. Workers trust AI for tasks where context doesn't matter, but abandon it the moment they need a system that learns and remembers. The MIT researchers discovered something even more provocative. External AI partnerships succeed twice as often as internal builds. The companies crossing what they call the Gen AI divide aren't the ones building impressive AI labs or hiring armies of data scientists. They're the ones buying adaptive systems from vendors who treat integration like a marriage, not a software transaction. And here's where the story takes a dark turn. The same study found that only the technology and media sectors show real structural change from AI. Several major industries, like healthcare, finance, manufacturing, and energy, show massive pilot activity but zero transformation. This isn't because AI doesn't work in these sectors. It's because these industries are being smart enough to avoid disruption while still capturing productivity gains. The workforce impact is already happening, just not where anyone expected. Instead of mass layoffs, companies are quietly eliminating millions in outsourcing costs. Customer service operations, administrative processing, and standardized development tasks, the work that was already being shipped to external vendors. That's where AI is making its first real dent. The revolution isn't coming for core employees, it's coming for the consultants, agencies, and business process outsourcing firms that have been charging premium rates for routine work. So what are the implications of this shift? Well, the infrastructure is already being built for what researchers call the agentic web, a network of AI systems that can discover, negotiate, and coordinate across the entire internet without human intervention. Imagine procurement agents that find new suppliers and negotiate contracts independently. Customer service systems that coordinate seamlessly across multiple platforms, and content workflows that span dozens of providers with automated quality control and payment processing. This isn't science fiction. Early experiments are already running. The MIT report documents companies where AI agents handle complete customer inquiries end-to-end, monitor and approve routine financial transactions, and track sales engagement across multiple channels autonomously. These systems don't just generate responses. They learn from every interaction, remember context across sessions, and improve their performance over time, creating compound intelligence that grows more valuable with each use. The window to adapt is rapidly closing. As MIT researchers warn, enterprises are about to lock in vendor relationships that will be nearly impossible to unwind. Organizations investing in AI systems that learn from their data, workflows, and feedback are creating switching costs that compound monthly. A CIO at a $5 billion financial services firm told researchers, "Whichever system best learns and adapts to our specific processes will ultimately win our business." Once we've invested time in training a system to understand our workflows, the switching costs become prohibitive. The tragic irony is that while executives chase transformation through expensive enterprise AI initiatives, their employees have already found it using consumer tools. The technology works. Corporate procurement doesn't. The revolution is succeeding one ChatGPT conversation at a time, and most companies are completely missing it. So here's the uncomfortable truth. Your workplace probably isn't using AI more effectively. Your employees are. They're just doing it in secret with better tools than anything your company provides. The question isn't whether the AI revolution is coming. It's whether your organization will be smart enough to learn from the workers who've already figured it out, or stubborn enough to keep building expensive systems that nobody wants to use. Will enough leaders be self-aware enough to recognize their mistakes, or will they delay the true tech revolution hiding in plain sight? Drop a comment below and subscribe for more AI insights.